If you suffer from premature ejaculation or you ejaculate too quickly and you want to learn how to last longer in bed, I want you to know that it's possible. And in this video, I will share with you some tips and exercises that have helped me to get rid of premature ejaculation. My name is Thibaut, I'm your sex coach, and welcome to The Real Man. Ejaculating too quickly when you make love is one of the worst feelings in the world. You feel ashamed, you feel guilty, and you feel that you can't please the woman you're with as much as you want. Maybe you're even scared that she may judge you or she may laugh at you. But I really want you to know that it's possible for you to learn how to last longer in the bedroom. I suffered for 10 years of premature ejaculation, and I was able to get rid of it in only a few weeks of practice. And I've helped hundreds of men to get rid of premature ejaculation and to learn how to last longer, how to control their ejaculation through my practice as a sex coach. There is 3 practices that will bring you amazing results if you dedicate time and discipline to it. The first one is to focus on your breathing and to learn how to breathe more slowly and deeply. Because it's most likely that if you suffer from premature ejaculation during foreplay or during sex or even during masturbation, you are breathing too shallow and too fast. So you want to learn how to breathe deep in your belly with your diaphragm, and you want to increase the time of your inhale and your exhale through your nose. By breathing more slowly, you will be able to be more relaxed, to be more tensed, and you will be able to get used to the increase of your arousal and to control yourself to slow down and be able to delay ejaculation. The second practice that helped me to get rid of premature ejaculation was to focus on my PC muscles, on my perineum. The perineum, the PC muscles, are the muscles who are responsible for your erection and your ejaculation. They are located between your anus and your balls. And if you want to feel your PC muscles, I encourage you to go to the toilets, to try to go to pee, and then to stop yourself from peeing. You don't want to do that all the times. Only few times will be good for you to be aware of these muscles. Maybe you've heard of Kegel exercises, and those are the exercises responsible for strengthening your PC muscles. But it's very important for you to know that you do not have to do the Kegel exercises. They can be actually counterproductive if you already have too tense muscles. So be aware that if you have too tense muscles, then you need to learn how to relax these muscles. But if you feel that these muscles are too weak, that it's difficult for you to stop yourself from peeing, then doing Kegel exercises will be good for you. I highly encourage you to go to see your doctor or a physical therapist specialized in these issues to know if your PC muscles are either too tight or too weak. And finally, the third practice, and for me, the most important practice that helped me to get rid of premature ejaculation, is to practice mindful masturbation. Because it's most likely that if you masturbate too quickly, maybe watching porn, and you are doing it hidden, shamefully. So if you masturbate like 90% of men, you are conditioning your body and your brain to ejaculate too quickly, because if you are scared to get caught, you want to masturbate and ejaculate very quickly, maybe in less than 2 or 3 minutes. But if you do that again and again, your body and your brain are used to stimulation equal ejaculation very quickly. So you want to reverse that. By taking more time during your masturbation practice, at least 15 to 20 minutes, also being aware of your breathing, again, deepening your breathing and incorporating your whole body into this masturbating session, you will be able to get used to the increase of the arousal, and you will be able to slow down the caress, to slow down the process of stimulating yourself, and to stay in this area when you feel that you can be in control. So if you breathe more slowly, if you're aware and train your PC muscles, and if you practice mindful masturbation few times a week, you will learn how to control yourself very quickly In only few weeks, even few days, you can increase the time that you can control yourself to delay the ejaculation and to be able to last longer in bed, to make love for a longer period of time, and to give and receive more pleasure with all the women that you desire. Let me know in the comment. Be vulnerable if you suffer from premature ejaculation or if you ejaculate too quickly. I really want to help you to learn how to control yourself. And if you want to develop your authentic masculinity, if you want to become more confident in the bedroom, then click on the link in the description and join the Real Men community. I see you in the next video.